How to add reviews in Shopify Store 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can add reviews into your Shopify store in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So to start things off for yourself, what you're going to be doing is once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you're going to go over to add apps. Now, once we've gone over to add apps, normally right over here, you're going to find your review apps like Judge Me, but if you don't find them over here, do not worry. All you're going to need to do is you're going to go over to Shopify App Store. Now, once you've gone over to the Shopify App Store section, over here, what you're going to do is you're simply going to search in the tab Review. Okay. Now, once we search up Review, it's going to open up all these bundles over here. So you can go with any application. Personally, I would prefer to go with Judge Me product reviews app because it's specifically built for Shopify and it is the most used application when it comes to reviews on Shopify. You can use the other products like Luke's, Vitals, Ali Reviews. These are also pretty good, but personally, I would always recommend Judge Me. So once you have chosen your app, simply click on install. Now, the best part about Judge Me is that it does have some paid plans, but a free plan is also available. So you don't have to add any money into it. You don't have to invest in it. So once we are over here, you're simply going to click on install. And from here, it's going to bring you to the onboarding where it's going to give you a few steps to set your Judge Me up. Now, first of all, you're going to choose your language and what theme you want it on. Once you've done that, you're going to click on Start Setup, and here it says Time to Enable App Embed. So we're going to click on Enable App Embed, and once we do that, it's going to load us straight into our Shopify editor. Now, over here, you can see that you have to turn this on. This might be off, but you have to switch it on like this. And once it's on, simply click on Save. Okay. And once you clicked on save here, as you can see, it gives us the verification that it is done. Now you're going to install the review widget. Okay. So I'm going to go over here. Okay. And we're going to wait for Shopify to load up. And once this loads up over here, simply switch this on as well. This is basically the review widget. Once you've switched this on, what you're simply going to be doing is going ahead and adding all of those widgets into your design. Okay. So to, the code snippets and widgets into your design, what you can simply do is go over to add section. And once you go over to add section, you're going to go over to apps, and here it says review widget. So this is what you're going to be adding into your Shopify store. So here is our review widget. You're simply going to click on save. And once you click on save here, you're going to come over to verify it to make sure that it worked. And do make sure that the review widget block is present, because without it, you won't be able to go forward. Okay. But once the review widget is done, you're simply going to come over to the third step where it says install the star ratings badge. Go ahead and install that as well for yourself. So it's going to bring you over to your main store again. And here, what you're going to do is click on the button below. Okay. Check if the star ratings block is present. Again, you're going to go over to the section. You're going to click on add block. Okay. Go over to apps, and here are your star ratings. You're going to add those to your design as well. Obviously, you're going to make sure that you do select a product for these review widgets, because that is how it's actually going to activate and start up. But once everything is done, it's going to finally bring you over to your branding section. Now in the branding section, simply go ahead, choose your star color. You can add a logo URL as well if you want to, and that is pretty much about it. So you're going to click on finish, and there we go. You can now start adding your very own reviews or import your own reviews as well. So that is how you're going to add reviews into your Shopify store in 2024. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.